You don't need fancy gear to start on YouTube, and I'm gonna show you exactly what you need. So here's my setup. First of all, I've got the sun. I'm outside, natural light. You need natural light. It's good enough. You can be in your car, you can be in your house in front of a window, you can go outside if you have a backyard or in the park. That's all you need. That's going to give you a great lighting. So you don't need to invest in a good light, in a ring light, whatever it is. No, you don't need that. You need a microphone because it's better. So the closer you bring it to your mouth, the better you're going to hear. That's why I'm trying not to put it far away. I'm sorry, it shows in the video, but it's a microphone that I purchased on Amazon. It was probably like not even $30 Canadian. So it's nothing at all. And it does the job. So that's probably the next upgrade I would want to do. It's probably like to get a better microphone, the DJI that everybody has. So that's probably going to be my next upgrade. Well, that's the thing when you're outside, you have people walking sometimes, but that's okay. And I'll show you the other gear that I have that you probably need if you can. Okay, so it's gonna be a little bit shaky, I'm sorry, but you need a tripod, and here's my tripod. You can see it here. It's a Yukos, and I got it on Amazon as well. And I think it was when I bought it, it was probably less than $100. Um, a year and so ago. It probably is a little bit more expensive today, but it's still super affordable. So tripod is a necessity. Then of course you need as well a camera, and I'm using just my iPhone. It's not the latest one. It is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's literally 2 years old, so nothing fancy here. 2 or 3. Well, it is, I think, 3 years old or two. I don't know, but it's not the latest one, anyways, and it works fine. So if you have a camera on your phone, which everyone has nowadays, that's that's how you take videos outside. You can take it everywhere. Have your tripod with you and go outside. That's the easiest way to start, I think. So as long as you have those little tools, so camera, tripod, and you can go outside somewhere, you're all set to take a good video, and you can talk about anything, because at the end of the day, it's what you're bringing to your audience, it's what you're going to talk about. So it's pretty much you are the main focus. It's not your gear. The gear is good. I mean, it's important to have a good microphone, that I will say. But the camera, honestly, all the new cameras now have really good video quality. So you don't need to go all in with a very expensive camera. Don't do that when you're starting. You just want to stay humble and grow with what you can get. For editing, keep it simple. You can use CapCut, iMovie, or DaVinci. I'm using CapCut, super easy to use. I have it on my phone, I have it on my desktop. I really don't care about what people are saying about CapCut. It's the easiest and the most convenient editing tool that I've used. Everybody can know how to use it very simply. You don't need to have hours of training on it, and you can make great videos. You can put effects if you want, text on screen. You can add some filters if you need to. But if you're outside, you have good lighting. You don't need to add any other filter. And it's super convenient because it's on your phone. So if you're traveling and you don't have anything but your phone, you still can edit your videos and publish them if you want to. So my point here is start now with what you have and upgrade your gear later when you actually you actually know that you enjoy doing that and you actually want to stay long term on YouTube, and you know that this is something you really want to do, that's when you can upgrade your gear. Or if you, let's say you put like, I don't know, have some goals. Think like, if I get monetized, I'm going to upgrade to this microphone, and you just go for it. Push, publish your videos regularly every week. And then once you get to your goal, upgrade something. And honestly, for me, what I think, the microphone is the main thing. Then it would be the lighting. So, because you might not be able to be outside during the day, or it might be dark that day. So you might want to have a good light inside in your house. So maybe the light is going to be the next upgrade you can do. Definitely, like, the phone you have is probably good enough to take videos, so don't worry about that. Worry about first microphone, second light, and third, if you have an older phone like me, maybe upgrade to a newer one. And that's not even necessary. I'm just saying that. And maybe like later on, like if you feel like it, a good editing tool, or if you want to, and if you can afford it, pay someone to edit your videos. It can be costly. So it depends on what type of video you're making. But if you're making, you know, talking videos like what I'm doing right now, you pretty much don't need much, but just a video, a tripod, a microphone, and yourself. Just yourself talk. That's all you need. Don't be afraid to start and to put yourself out there. Don't listen to everybody judging you. Actually, ignore that, because it is what you want to do, and if that's something you want to try, do it, because unless you try, you won't know. And people are never going to be very supportive until they see you being successful. They'll probably say you're wasting your time, but you're not. Just do it. Again, start your YouTube channel. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you on the next one. You know what to do. Um, Subscribe if you want to. Put a thumb up if you want to. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.